everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is going to be another like mini video of our like baking series. And today I'm going to be baking brownies, and since this shouldn't be a super long video, I'm gonna try not to time lapse as much. Again, if you hear any random noises, my boyfriend is on the phone. So first, and I'll have all of the like information up on the screen, like whose recipe it is and like the website that I got the recipe off of. So I'm making brownies. I think I said that already. So first step is to preheat the oven. So I've got to preheat the oven to, whoops, that's too hot. To 325. And then literally the next step is just to combine all of the dry ingredients. Okay, let me get a bowl. Okay, bowl acquired. Okay, first up we're going to use 1.5 cups sugar. So I am using 1/8 of a cup, so obviously I had to put 8 of those in there to get the 1 full cup, and then I'll put another 4 in there to get the 1/2 cup. There we go. Okay. Up next, we need 3/4 cup of flour. Ouch. Oh, also, this is a little bit random, but I redid my nails from like the last time you guys saw them, and then I immediately broke one, so living like Larry. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get the 3/4 cup of flour without like inhaling any of it. I think that's probably a pretty, okay, 3/4 cup. Also, my boyfriend is actively making fun of me, so. I know, I just wanted to hear you say it. I just wanted to hear you respond. Okay, so now we need 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, sifted if lumpy. Oh boy. Wouldn't you hate to have lumpy cocoa powder, babe? Okay. 2/3. I like how it says to sift that if it's lumpy, but it doesn't say anything about sifting your flour if it's lumpy. It's just a little strange to me. Okay, anywho. 2/3 cup cocoa powder. Oh my god. Oh, it's everywhere. Oh, Lord. I literally need just the tiniest bit more. Please. Give me the cocoa powder. There we go. Okay, that'll do. Okay, so 2/3 cup of cocoa powder. Mine wasn't really lumpy, thankfully, so. And then we need a half cup of powdered sugar, again, sifted if lumpy. I have to find a measuring spoon. Where's the half cup? 1.5 cup. I need the half cup. Okay, so we might have to just use the cup and just wing it. Oh, wait. I found a half cup. Woo! Okay. Update, I found a half of a cup. So now we're putting in that half cup of powdered sugar. Sifted if lumpy. There's not, powdered sugar is kind of I don't know, it's kind of weird because it's not in like a lot of recipes. So there's that half cup of powdered sugar. Confectioner's powdered sugar. And then you're supposed to put in 1/2 cup dark chocolate chips. Okay, for one, mine are milk chocolate chips. It'll be fine. And two, I might put in more than 1/2 cup because 1/2 cup does not seem like nearly enough. Whoa. Whoa. My bag is apparently open too far. I'm not putting the one that I dropped on the floor in there, just so you know. I guess we'll start with 1/2 cup. Let me see how it goes. And then 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Where did the salt go? It's literally right here. I found it, guys, don't worry. And you guys will be so excited. I'll even use the appropriate measurements for the salt. So this is 1/4. So I'm going to use 3 of these. There's that. And then we're just gonna kind of whisk it together to like combine. Okay, there's that. And then okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and in a separate bowl, we're gonna mix together all of the wet ingredients. So I'm gonna grab our other bowl. And to this, we're going to add first 2 eggs. And the oven is ready. Woohoo. There's one. There's 2. We have 1 singular egg left. Yippee. Okay. After that, we're gonna add 1/2 cup of canola or extra virgin olive oil. And strangely enough, Okay, we actually have the olive oil. Half cup? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so there's the oil. And then we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of water, so I'm gonna take this over to the sink and do it so we don't get water everywhere. Okay, so there's that. There's the water. And then we need half a teaspoon of vanilla. Where's my vanilla? Here's my... Okay, and then there's your half a teaspoon. There's your half a teaspoon of vanilla. Alrighty, so now we are just gonna go ahead and whisk up the wet ingredients. And now we are going to, put that over there and just slowly combine these two together. It always says slowly, but I don't necessarily slowly combine them, but you will understand. So I'm just gonna yeet that in there. Okay, there we go. Whoa. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and combine. Alrighty, y'all, so I have the batter completely mixed now. And now it says to use just like a regular pan, which I guess I might. Yeah, I'll just do that. 1 second. This is the pan that I'm going to use. Yes, it is a Pyrex Corel. I don't care. I'm going to spray this with canola oil before I put that in there, so, you know, it doesn't stick. There we go. And then I'm going to grab a spatula, and I'm going to very carefully spatula the brownie batter into the pan. Alrighty, here we go. Move this over here. And then we're So this is a new recipe for me also, by the way. I have never tried this one before. It did say that the batter will be thick. Yeah, it says it'll be thick. So I guess that's one less thing to worry about because the batter is most certainly thick. I think it's because you're not putting in a whole lot of like moisture for the amount of like dry ingredients that you're putting in. I don't know. I'm no bakeologist. Okay, and now it says to just kind of like smooth it into the pan. I'm gonna smush it. That's what I'm gonna do. I also don't know if this. Oh, wait a minute. I bet this was a 9x9 on an 8x. Oopsies. Oopsie dingers. I just bake it a little less long. Oops. So you are supposed to bake these in an 8x8. I do believe I just accidentally put these in a 9x9. It did say that they would burn if you used a 9x9. So I'm probably just gonna try to cook these a little less long. Yeah, that looks about right. And personally, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a few more chocolate chips on the top because everybody loves chocolate chips, you know? Everybody loves, right, babe? Yeah. Okay, so bake for 40 to 48 minutes. I'm gonna try these for, unless somebody has like a comment down here. I'm just gonna put them in for 40 minutes. Also, one thing to remember that once you scroll down, like out of the actual like instruction area, it does say that the like author of this particular recipe likes the taste of the pairing of olive oil and chocolate. I didn't read that, so I hope everybody that I'm feeding these to enjoys the taste of olive oil and chocolate. But I will let you guys know, and I will be back when these are done. So you guys, it has actually been a little while since I recorded that video. So a few things about the brownies. The like olive oil thing, you couldn't really taste it in like my opinion. Two, the brownies were good, but I think I mentioned it in the video that I accidentally used a bigger pan than what it called for. Yeah, don't do that because it makes them really thin. Well, obviously because it's a bigger pan. And then if you put them in for even an amount of time that you like think would be okay, they burnt. So like, no, they didn't burn, but they got really thin and like hard. But they still tasted really good. So let that be some guidance on your brownie journey. Thank you again for watching today's video. If you liked it, please go like and subscribe down below and hit the little bell so it tells you when I finally post another video, even though it's not super reliable. And I will see all of you in the next video.